Hey, it's Tommy, the CEO of ChipFlow here again. This time we talk about an exciting addition to our offering portfolio and in terms of making chip design cheaper and faster. It's really driven by a number of customer discussions that we've been having with you guys over the last year. I mean, we've noticed that many of your requirements that we are seeing are very similar. They tend to circle around the edge AI slash IoT type of devices, industrial IoT being another bigger area, as well as then also a medical sensor type of solutions. But there are a few others, so we've identified 6 to 8 kind of areas where we are seeing quite a significant commonality across the solutions. I mean, all of they have, processors, memories, and then using the similar type of process nodes and etc. So that kind of got us thinking that is there yet another way over and above our streamlined design platform offering to make it cheaper and faster for you guys. And now we are kind of looking into this, what we label as a working name ASIC templates. And it's really about how can we look into these your requirements and then make them as kind of ready-made as possible. I mean, that means in terms of kind of going with our portfolio of IP provider partners and then coming up with a pre-bundled kind of around the IP solutions. I mean, ADCs, DACs, SRAMs, Ethernet PHYs, and etc. Have them included, commercials all agreed, figured out, and then etc. But then also have them pre-verified as well as silicon proven, so to say, and then to make them kind of a great starting point, and that we could then embed to the whole process. And it starts from the sales process. How can we make it easier for you guys to figure out what are the big things that matter when you are figuring it out? So we can help you to identify those key parameters that make your product the most competitive, and then of course kind of pushing it as fast as possible through our design flow. But let me emphasize this. I mean, this is not a magic bullet. I mean, when we start to customize these templates with your requirements, it will still require what you would normally have in a ASIC project. I mean, you still need to verify all of the tweaks that we've made and etc. But given everything that we've kind of pre-worked on that, we are hoping that extra save will add to the way that we are anyway running the ASIC projects in a more streamlined manner through our platform, and overall continues to make the ASIC projects cheaper and faster for you guys. It's an early thing. We started to work on some of these things already, but we are looking for more lead customers. So if you guys are interested with your requirements around these areas that I mentioned before or anything else, want to work on 130 or 65 nanometer process nodes, please do get in touch, and then we'd be very keen to collaborate with you and see if we can kind of make our both worlds come together.